Y. Pawan Kumar, working as assistant professor in the department of PCE, and I am in charge for the lab microprocessors and microcontrollers. And here we have some stock assignments related to the microprocessors, microcontrollers, and the ARM Cortex M3 processor versions also. And in this lab, we will try the students to develop the real-world applications by making them develop the programs related to both the hardware and software also. And mainly, we have some hardware trainer kits related to 8086, 8051 also. And in relation to those hardware trainer kits, we have some rich set of peripheral interface units are also there, like stepper motor, traffic light control, analog to digital converter. Like this, we have the interface kits are also available, and mainly related to software application development. Here we are trying making them write the programs related to both assembly languaging and embedded C programming using the tools like TASM, MASM, and the key integrated development environment, like the tools like compiler, assembler, all these tools. And we are majorly trying to build this, or to make the students build the solutions for the real world applications by making them understand the programming logic behind these things. And we are trying making them create the projects also related to these embedded some technologies related solutions.